Hello esteemed viewers, welcome to our video tutorial for today. In our video tutorial today, we are going to look at the solution to a maths Olympiad video. And we are asked to solve for s if x to the power of s to the power of 6 is equal to 144. Now remember to give this video a thumbs up if you are new to this channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also remember to press the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I upload the latest content of our Maths Olympiad solution. Thank you very much. And now let's look at the solution of this. You will see that the left hand side of this equation have a power of 6, while the right hand side doesn't have any power. So the first job we need to do is to make sure that the both sides have a power. Now, if we want to do that, we can simply say that this is x to the power of x to the power of 6, and this will be equal to 12 to the power of 2 is what? 144. Having done that, we can now start applying some logical reasoning in solving this question. And this is one of the reasons why I do love Maths Olympiad questions, especially the mathematics question. Now, if we apply some logical reasoning, we want to raise the both sides to a power of 6. If we raise the both sides to a power of 6, we'll have x to the power of 6 all to the power of 6 equal to 12 square to the power of 6. Now, according to the law of indices, this whole value will multiply. Now, if this whole value multiply, we are going to have a 12. So that will give us x to the power of x to the power of 6 all to the power of 6 equal to 12 to the power of 12. Good. Having gotten that, the next thing we can now think of doing is to simplify. Now, remembering the law of indices, that when we have a to the power of xy, remember this can also be a to the power of x all to the power of y, or we can also write it as a to the power of y all to the power of x. In whatever form they come in, this can be possible. So we can apply that here. We apply that here. This will give us s to the power of 6 all to the power of x to the power of 6, and this will be equal to 12 to the power of 12. Now, having gotten that, you come to see something that the denominator looks what, and the power and the base looks equal. So we're going to equate one of them. So we'll have x to the power of 6 to be equal to 12. If x to the power of 6 is equal to 12, what will the value of x be? What do you think we'll do to get the value of x? I think the best way to get the value of x is to take the sixth root of both sides, because the best way to clear a square is to square root both sides, while the best way to clear a root is to square both sides. So we're going to take the sixth root of both sides. If we take the sixth root of both sides, this will give us x to the power of 6 equal to plus or minus the sixth root of 12. So if we take that, this is going to now give us this will clear this, and then we'll have our x to be equal to plus or minus 12 to the power of 1 divided by 6. So this will be the solution to that exponential equation. So our value of x will be equal to either plus or minus 12 to the power of 1 divided by 6, or it can be equal to the sixth root of what? 12. This is a solution to that simplified Olympiad question. This is all I have for you for today. Don't forget to share this video with friends and colleagues. Also give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel in order to get more simplified mass Olympiad solution videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.